I installed the solar-powered eufy security camera in my backyard. It has 2K resolution with a solar panel built in on the top, and this is the real-time footage. I will show you how to set it up, and let's walk through the app. Light feature is pretty neat and super bright. It looks like the solar panel is monocrystalline, the high efficiency type. The mounting hole and the charging port are in the back. That's everything in the box. The main unit, 2 sets of mounting hardware, the mounting plate, the mounting bracket, charging cable, user guide, and the sticker. Beautiful. What I love about eufy is that I'm getting constant software firmware updates, which means the company is really investing in developing great products. Let's go ahead and add the eufy security camera here. Solo cam. After entering the password prompt with this message, press this sync for 2 seconds until I hear a beep. LED light is flashing blue. Okay, next. QR code. Scan the QR code. I have successfully added the camera. Now it's updating the firmware. I named it Backyard. Under the Power Manager menu, we can see it came with 62% battery life left. I'm not going to charge it up all the way to 100% just for the sake of this testing. I just want to see the charging power here. It's a USB Type-C charging cable. I'm getting about 5 watts, about 4 watts. So I'm just gonna leave it outside and see what happens. And charge just using this solar panel. This spotlight feature is pretty neat and super bright. The charging port is blocked if we are using this mounting bracket, making recharging by the wire impossible. However, it does provide a pretty tight seal. Then we have to take it off to recharge using the wire if we're getting insufficient sunlight. This is a quick app walkthrough so you can see all its main functionalities. What you're seeing right now is from my iPhone 13. I will also go to the iPad app and show you what it looks like with a larger screen.